Hello everybody, my name is Jude with Absolute Security Alarms, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can change your battery on your recessed contacts for your alarm system. Now the first thing that you do need to do with the recessed contacts is pop off the front cover of the contact. I already popped off the front cover with the contact. Easy way to do that is to take a small flat-headed screwdriver, place the screwdriver into the indent of the cover to pop off. Once that's been popped off, what you do want to do after that is you want to take the middle portion of the contact. If you pull that out, that takes the battery out. Now the batteries are CR2 batteries, which you can find at your electronics store or place where you can get batteries. From there, what you want to do is gently take the battery out of the circuit board. Get your new battery, place it into the circuit board, and gently put it back inside the contact until it goes in all the way. From there, now you want to take your cover, insert it back into the contact, and you're good to go.